Hello, beautiful and magnificent beings. Welcome to Energy and Light Awakening. I felt inspired to create a slightly different clearing video. Some of my other videos can be very heavy and deep, and I know some of you need a little time to recover. They're not always ideal for the middle of the day, especially if you're at work. So I wanted to make something for you that you could use on a daily basis. Just sort of a gentle clearing, but also energy boosting, so that you just feel completely uplifted and refreshed afterwards. And I will try to keep it at least around 5 minutes, so it's kind of a good to go session. If you feel inspired or guided, you might want to do a power pose. I've talked about this in many of my videos. It will help boost your energy even more. So go ahead and do that if it moves you. Expanding that beautiful aura, that luminous network. Helping you to feel strong, powerful. You can walk through walls. Let's just boost you a little bit more. One last thing I have for you. It's been quite a while since I've done a sacred geometry activation. So I asked what cards would be best for today, and I was planning on one, but two actually popped out. The first card, Surrender activation. And the second card, Empowerment. How perfect is that? Have a beautiful, empowering, magical, fulfilling, and abundant day. Sending so much love your way. Highest blessings and infinite gratitude. Sat Nam.